Hello everyone, today let's talk about hub shift oil seal. This seals made of rubber and there is metal. This color is a blue color, and this size is internal diameter is 117.5, external diameter is 158. The sink is 17.8. This sink. And we can customize this size, this material, this color, this type. We all can customize. And if you are interested in this product, we also can send you free samples. This also have many following features. The first one is vulcanizes at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance, oil leakage prevention, moth-proof water. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.